Creek and Cherokee Indians and their resources. The Creek and Cherokee Indians were two of the most important tribes that lived in Georgia. These Native American tribes were living in Georgia when it was explored by Europeans. The Creek lived in the coastal plains and parts of the Piedmont region. The name Creek came from European explorers. They called them the Creek because they lived by creeks. The Creek capital was Coweta. They used natural resources in many ways. The Cherokee Indians lived in the mountains of North Georgia. The Cherokee capital was the New Ekata. The Cherokee lived in the Piedmont, Valley and Ridge, Blue Ridge, and Appalachian Plateau regions. Many of the Cherokee would later be forced to move. They would use the Trail of Tears to move out of Georgia. Many ended up in the Oklahoma Territory. Like the Creek, they all used natural resources in many ways. The natural resources were important to the Creek and Cherokee. The rivers would provide drinking water. They were also used for transportation. The tribes also used rivers for fishing. They used the land for farming and hunting. They were also good at making tools. Tools were made from animal bones, wood, and stone. Animal skins were used for clothing. Their homes were made from log sticks and clay. So here we see the Chattahoochee River, Savannah River, the Flint River. And here are the different regions in Georgia, the Valley and Ridge, Blue Ridge, there's the Appalachian Plateau way up high there, Piedmont, and Coastal Plain.